Hey guys, I'm back with another video, and for today's video I'm just going to be showing you my quick 20-minute wash and go routine. It's pretty similar to my what video is it? My curly hair routine, but the products are just different. You can use whatever products you want. Basically, I'm just sectioning my hair off into two halves, and then I just sectioned off a part at the top because my front is the part that gives me the most trouble. So I'm like, I'll just braid that up or twist that up into some type of style. So that way it actually is a 20-minute wash and go routine. So I'm just starting by saturating my first section of hair. And my section is pretty small. I'm adding some leave-in conditioner. You can use whatever kind you like, whatever kind that you love. Next should be a curl enhancer, and then your gel. I'm using my Gorilla Snot, which is my absolute fave, and just rubbing that throughout my entire section. And then I'm doing that throughout my entire head, through each section. And to get this to be a 20-minute wash and go, I'm using very large sections. Usually my sections are very smaller, and I get my curls much more defined. But with such a quick wash and go, I'm doing huge sections because my hair is so thick, and I'm in a rush like I always am. So yeah, I'm done with half of my hair, and I do the exact same thing to the other half. And once I'm finished with both halves of my hair, I just take the middle, part it down the middle, and just begin to twist both of those to the back. I add the same products that I did, to the front of my hair, just to get that same curl pattern, I guess, throughout those twists also. And once those are twisted completely back, I'm just getting those edges together, making sure I'm blow drying my edges in place, because I'm gonna use my diffuser end of my blow dryer and just get my hair as dry as I can, because I think at this point it was like 5 minutes left. I had to go pick up my little brother from school, so I'm trying to hurry up. And when you're diffusing your hair, or trying to get your hair dry for a wash and go, if you don't let it air dry, make sure you're using cold air, because it helps lock in the moisture better in your tresses than warm or hot air does. So the white residue on your hair will go away once your hair is completely dry. So that's just, I use a lot of product, and then I add oil at the end. Usually I add it section by section after I do my leave-in curl enhancer and my gel. Then I'll add oil section by section, but I just add it over my entire head, and this is my finished look. As you can see, the white residue is almost 100% gone, and I have bouncy, almost all defined curls. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have not subscribed, don't forget to subscribe. Give this video a thumbs up. You watched all the way until the end, and I will see you guys on my next video.